Okay, so here's a little peek inside this area of the Art and Magic of Encaustic online course. So you'll see how it's laid out. So there is a little welcome part at the top. There is an area for finding your way around the whole of the Art and Magic course. But what I'm going to focus on this video is the inside of this particular area. So there's an introductory video here. You'll see as you hover over each one, the little thumbnail will come up, which will enable you to click inside. And you'll see in each section there are a series of little videos and how and where to use the areas. You can mark each area as complete once you've been through it. So although there are a lot of videos that are in there, a lot of them are just quite short, just explanatory, short, concise and quick to run through. You can navigate your way around through these areas at the top as well. So you've got categories here, so you're not going to get yourself lost at all. It's quite common sense once you're in there to kind of get to the section you want, or just click back to this Art and Magic and this will bring you back to the home area. So this section is, there's quite a big area that focuses on the painting with the encaustic iron. Let me run through quickly. There's another area which focuses on the stylus, and then there's a little smaller area with some hot plate and heat gun work, and this also directs you back to other areas of the course that also cover those two tools. And then we've got a course wrap-up area at the end, and there's a little bit about myself here on the left-hand side as well. So after this introductory area, there's quite a lot actually regarding painting with the iron and how to go about that. So I explain the iron, the wax blocks, what paper to use, how to apply the wax and how to clean the iron. Excuse me. And each area of these videos will kind of go into more depth. Oh goodness, it's running slowly this evening. Here. Yes, so you just hit play and it will kind of go through. So we start off making different irons, using different coloured waxes. This is like a vivid colour, and sort of I guide you through how to make all of these different marks. We then go on to mixing colour. So we kind of start off with quite a lot of abstract pieces within this section, and then we build all of those up to creating a monochrome fantasy landscape. So we kind of pull all those skills together into a finished piece, and then once we've made one of those, the next step after that is we actually create a coloured version as well. So there are a couple of kind of finished projects on there, and you're not expected to work through these all in like one hit. These are a number of projects for you to put into practice and work through at your own pace. There's cleaning your iron, and then there's a section here on how to use your iron as a mini hot plate. So these have got some nice extra tips as well. Again, these will kind of mix back in with other areas of the course. Section, you don't have to stay small, you can go bigger, different coloured waxes, and there's also making cards and sealing and mounting your cards as well. So there's quite a comprehensive area just within that section. So that's painting with the iron, and then there's another section which is working with the stylus. So there's a little introduction to it. This is the main area that a lot of people go straight to. What to do if your wax isn't flowing. A lot of people say don't get on with the stylus at all. So this video shows you how to get your stylus working, flowing nicely. It's an area with the new style. There's a new stylus recently been introduced, and are they compatible? So I'll just show you some different ways of creating different effects with the stylus. And then I finish off with a case, sort of an eye study using the stylus, and how you can watch me drawing that. And although a lot of these techniques are demonstrated on the encaustic paper, they do all translate across into the layered higher heat styles. So do have a check out of those. Next category is the hot plate and heat gun. As I said, they I also direct you to other areas. So this is just a quick overview video of myself with some, I think it's mostly, yeah, sort of talking, but I refer to blogs, and there are some photographs of finished pieces here for you to get some inspiration from. So there's lots more down there. And the same using the heat gun as well with papers. So these are like an explanation video and then photographs as well. So, and then finally, we just finish off with sort of, where to go and what to do next. There's a course wrap up with more info, which is we've got a course members group, and, what to do next once you finish that area of the course. So there we are. That's what's inside this area of the art and magic of Encaustic. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it inspiring and exciting, and that you will come in and join us inside the course area. Hope to see you soon.